Med konferenco Poti do duševnega zdravja ob izgubi sluha sta potekala tudi sestanka upravnih odborov svetovne IFHOF in evropske EFHOH Zveze naglušnih. IFHOF je bila ustanovljena leta 1977 in zastopa interese več kot 466 milijonov naglušnih ljudi po vsem svetu.
The goal of the International Federation of Hard of Hearing People is to see that every person who has a hard of hearing loss is able to live life to their full potential and to have the access needed to do so, to have a society that is embracing their right to be able to have access and to accept them as people just like anyone else with the access that's needed.
V načrtu aktivnosti za prihodnje 2 leti ima zapisano spodbujanje človekovih pravic za osebe z izgubo sluha in ozaveščanje o položaju naglušnih, izboljšanje dostopa do zdravstvenega varstva ter zavzemanje za tehnologijo in dostopnost za naglušne osebe.
Accessibility is key for hard of hearing people, and laws related to accessibility can cover virtually every realm of a person's life. This can include employment, education, services provided. It can include procurement of goods and services. It can include entertainment venues, public venues, noise levels, a built environment that is accessible.
EFHOF je bila ustanovljena leta 1993 kot neprofitna, nevladna organizacija, ki deluje na ravni Evropske unije, sodeluje s poslanci Evropskega parlamenta in drugimi evropskimi organi.
One of the priorities for the European Federation of Hard of Hearing People, in tandem, of course, with the International Federation when we collaborate, is to look at the European Charter of Social Rights, which is quite closely connected to the European strategy on the rights of persons with disabilities. And part of this is, of course, to collaborate with the European Commission and European Disability Platform, where we meet with the member states and the European Commission itself to ensure that the voice of hard of hearing people, their needs to accessibility and their existence within the policy areas is visible, and it can be then implemented down to the national level.
EFHOF si prizadeva za spodbujanje ozaveščenosti in razumevanja naglušnosti ter promovira skupne praktične ukrepe za odpravo ovir za naglušne.
Another area of our work is to raise awareness. So for this reason, this year for the first time, we have initiated a Hearing Access Week, European Hearing Access Week, which we hope everybody else will follow up as well, which allow the advocates, the activists to speak about the needs for hard of hearing person, what exactly they need, what kind of accessibility they need, but also to bring out awareness among the hard of hearing people themselves.
Obe organizaciji si prizadevata za boljše razumevanje težav oseb z izgubo sluha, s tem pa tudi za večjo dostopnost do informacij ter bolj vključujočo družbo. To soboto pa bosta potekali tudi skupščini obeh organizacij.